answering the question, are mentoring and networking the same? First, let's talk about what mentoring is and why it's important to professional growth. Mentoring is a relationship between a mentor and a mentee. Mentors help mentees increase their skills, perspectives, development, and performance. Mentors have achieved and done what mentees aspire to accomplish. Mentors possess knowledge they are willing to share to help mentees. There are various types of mentoring relationships. The most common is one-to-one mentoring between a senior employee and a junior employee. But there are several other types of mentoring relationships, such as group mentoring, peer mentoring, distance mentoring, reverse mentoring, and speed mentoring. Regardless of the type of mentoring relationship you engage in, having a mentor and being a mentor is essential for professional growth. In fact, it is not uncommon to have several mentors and mentees throughout the span of your professional career. Having a mentor not only shortens your runway to success, it also demonstrates that you are coachable and willing to do the work, two characteristics that are common among highly successful people and in high demand by leaders and hiring managers. As a mentor, having mentees demonstrates your willingness and ability to develop people. With each mentee you work with, you hone your leadership and talent development abilities. The best part is you gain pride and confidence by guiding a mentee to success. So there is both a personal and professional gain by being a mentor and a mentee. Now let's talk about what networking is and why it's imperative to career success. There are two types of networking. Traditional or transactional networking focus on exchanging leads, referrals, sales, and job offers. And relational networking focus on having meaningful conversations to build lasting relationships. It is the second way of networking, relational networking, that is the most effective for career success. I believe networking is an activity, a skill, and a mindset. When you adopt a relational networking mindset, you are curious about learning from someone and about someone, while openly searching for how you can best help them. This is a powerful way of showing up and is highly attractive. I believe you are only one conversation away from your next idea, resource, solution, or opportunity. Meaningful conversations lead to lasting relationships. Relationships have proven to be the secret sauce to professional success. The stronger your relationships, the higher your reputational capital and the higher the trajectory of your professional career. Now I'm going to share how marrying mentoring and networking can change your life. Together, they are the jet fuel for growth and success personally and professionally. You might have heard the phrase, you don't know what you don't know. By marrying mentoring and relational networking, you are able to leverage the brain power in each conversation you have. In so doing, you are shining a light on the things you don't know but need to know to succeed and grow. It is always easier to learn from someone that has been there and done that, to be able to learn the right and most effective way of doing things so that you can avoid the frustration of the trial and error of doing it on your own. You eliminate the pitfalls of mistakes and unforeseen obstacles that come with the lack of knowing what you don't know. Engaging in relational networking and mentoring is a winning formula because they work synergistically like sunshine and blue skies. Together, these activities raise your vibrational energy, self-confidence, and awareness. There is freedom in gaining clarity about what to do next and knowing where you're going. Often you will find your next mentor by engaging in relational networking. Conversations you have while networking will sometimes shed light on a topic or skill you need to address with your mentor. The reverse is also true. Your mentorship relationship will enhance your networking conversations because you will have a unique perspective to share and help the people you engage with. When you upgrade yourself through a mentor and thereby upgrade your networking conversations, and synergistically, when you upgrade your networking conversations, you upgrade your mentoring relationships. Now, the best place to marrying mentoring and relational networking is in our Down and Dirty Networking online community. Click the link in the description below and I will send you a personal invitation to the next Down and Dirty Networking virtual sneak peek event to check out our 100% relational networking experience for yourself. So click the link in the description to have meaningful conversations with our extraordinarily supportive and diverse online professional community to co-elevate, collaborate, and connect in a safe, no muss environment. I look forward to seeing you at the virtual sneak peek event. Thanks for watching and happy networking!